Hope you all are doing well at home. Now, today we will start new chapter, chapter number 3, factors and multiples. Our today's topic is rules of divisibility. Before explaining rules of divisibility, I will explain you the meaning of divisibility. Now, let's take a one number 6, 3, 8. Now, we will divide with 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 0. Then we will take next number 2 1s are 2 1 18. Then 2 9s are 18. Now after division, after doing the sum, our remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then it means this number is divisible by 2. Now in these rules we will do without doing actual division. We can find the number is divisible or not divisible. First we will check the divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2, the digit in the ones place should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 or an even number. So let's take one example. Number is 4, 6, 3, 8. Here ones place digit is 8. So it is even number. So this number is divisible by 2. So we can write 4638 is divisible by 2. Now we will take another example. 4, 6, 3, 9. Here the last digit is odd number. This is 9. So this number is odd. So 4639 is not divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility of 3. The sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 3. Now let's take an example. 4368. Now we will add these numbers. Sum of the digits. So 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. In 3's table. So this number is divisible by 3. Now 21, the sum of these digits is divisible by 3. So we can write 4368 is divisible by 3. Now we will take another example. 3469. Now we will add these numbers. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, that is 22. Now 22 is not coming in 3's table. So this number is not divisible by 3. 3 by 5. The digit in the ones place should be 5 or 0. Now let's take an example. 4, 5, 3, 0. Here the ones place digit is 0. So it means this number is divisible by 5. Now we will take another example. 4, 7, 3, 5. Here the last digit is 5. So this number also divisible by 5. Now next is divisibility by 9. The sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 9. Now we will take an example. 1, 3, 5, 9. Now we will add these. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 and 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Now 18 is coming in 9's table. So 18 is divisible by 9. So we can write 1359 is divisible by 9. Now we will check divisibility by 10. The digit in the ones place should be 0. Now let's take an example. 4, 5, 6, 3, 0. Here the last digit is 0. So this number is 45,630 is divisible by 10. Now we will check the divisibility of 11. The difference of the sum of the alternate digits of a number should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Now let's take an example. 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2. Now we will add alternate digits. 2 plus 5 plus 6. We will add these digits. 2 plus 5 plus 6. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Now we will add 4, 7 and 2. 4 plus 7 plus 2. Then 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. Now sum of the alternate digits 13, 13 of a number should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Now we will subtract these two. 13 minus 13. So 13 minus 13 is 0. So this number is divisible by 13. So we can write 2,45,762 is divisible by 13. Exercise 3.1, question number 2 to 5 yourself. I have attached a PDF also for your help. Thank you and have a nice day.